Oh, you tell me.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Toyotress Hair. This is a company from Amazon. They sent me, guys. I think this is the second time I'm doing a video like this. But what I'm about to show you today, these are all synthetic wigs. So I'm excited to try these for you. I got 3 different wigs. So this is gonna be like a, what would you say, like a wig look book or a wig haul with these wigs. These are all wigs. This is how the packaging looks. Really cute. Yeah, it says be beautiful, be different. All right, and it has like what's in on the inside here on this label. Also their social media is listed on the box. So as I open the box, I see the wig. Before I get to that, the only other thing in the box is this mesh. It's a weaving cap that I got inside here. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, since everything it came in the same packaging, I'm going to remove all the wigs from the boxes because basically it's the same wig but different colors. So I really want to just, you know, do a like show and tell, show you guys how they look. And yeah, so this is the first one, guys. So all these wigs are basically synthetic wigs, right? But they are also heat resistant, so you can go ahead and apply a little bit of heat to it without getting it like damaged, without damaging the hair. This one, this is like a number 27 color, and let me get up close. So there's a little bit of, it's silky, but there's like a little bit of like kinkiness to it, so the texture is kind of very believable. It doesn't look like super plasticky hair, so I love that right off the bat. So yeah, really nice fluffy bang wig. So okay, let me just go ahead and start off with this one and try it on for you. This is how the inside of the wig looks. It's nicely wefted, standard cap construction. It's very breathable, as you can see. Flip this on. This is the first color. So just to make it look a little bit more like, you know, a little less wiggy, I like slip some of the hair behind my ears, and you could just play around with the wig and see how best you like want to, you know, style it and stuff. If you want to add like a headband to it, I'm gonna go ahead and test out a little piece with my flat iron here, and that's straightened. It's straightened pretty easily. So let's try a bigger piece.
Oh, you tell me stories. You tuck me in. And the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my streets. Yeah, high school was hard.
So what I noticed is once I applied the heat to it, it got like super straight. So that's just something to bear in mind. Even though I tried to like bump it, it doesn't keep this bump. But it's very flowy. It's very like flowy. The movement, it's not stiff or anything. So yeah, this is, let me just go ahead and let this side match the next side. Okay, so this is the first option. As I said, this is like a number 27.
You fight with my mom.
There are adjustable straps in the back, so you could use this to tighten it. And what I love about this is it's easy to throw on and go. Easy to throw on and go. You don't have to be worried about putting on any adhesive or anything. Just tighten the wig and you're good to go. Okay, this one is a mix. It's a really cute mix. Like, you know, the skunk style is trending, so this no bad at all. So it's all up to you what you want to do. If you want to go ahead and like, you know, re-straighten it and stuff. And I must, as I said, I think this is a more, I've never ever tried, like, the first time I tried a synthetic wig was with a curly texture and it was very believable. But in terms of straight hair, I've never tried synthetic like wig or hair. So this is a first for me, and I must say it doesn't look that bad. Like, Toyotress did their thing. Like, the hair, like, it looks good. It looks good. Like, let me know what you guys think about this. Like, be sure to let me know. I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to where you could go ahead and, you know, purchase these wigs if you want. You know, it's gonna be on the more affordable side, like 100%. You know, it looks really good. The fact that they're giving you variety, like a different color, come on. Yeah, them come out. This is the final one, and this is like, you know, my usual like highlighted, like blonde highlighted hair color that I'll install from time to time, which I absolutely love. So they basically colored this similar to how the previous one was colored. Again, the look of it, it looks the same, and there is some shedding. There's a little shedding, not a lot. There is just a little shedding. So just in case you guys were wondering about that. So yeah, this is how it looks. I want to kind of like finesse it so the bob doesn't look as thick. Just want like that nice fringe like bob. So I'm going to actually put like a headband on this one. I'm gonna just go throughout this one with my flat iron, and my flat iron is at like 250. I didn't turn it all the way up.
And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. That's 21. A soul of 50. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from.
I'm gonna just apply this headband on top of it, and this is how it looks. So I'm actually gonna wear this one out because I love this color. I love the way they did this color. So I'm gonna wear this one out. Like, wow. I know you guys could never tell that this is synthetic. So this is the final one, as I said, and I really like it. I really like the color job. I honestly couldn't tell if I had just seen this and not know the details that it's not human hair. I really wouldn't be able to tell. So I love how believable it looks. Like, Toyotress did a great job. They definitely did. The fact that I could go ahead and it's, you know, the fact that it's heat resistant. You know, I went ahead and I straightened it further. Like, I just ran through it with my flat iron, and it looks good. No heat damage, no nothing. That's really good. So shout out to Toyotress for sending these wigs today. This is the final look of all three. Yes, that looks real good. So let me know you guys' thoughts on, you know, this little wig haul, wig lookbook. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig video. Thank you guys for, you know, tuning in. And all the details to these wigs will be down in my description box. So if you guys are interested in getting all of them or just one of them, you could go ahead and do so. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.